Alright guys, today's video we are going to be doing a turbo swap already. So we're going from the hy35 to a He351 CW. Reasons why is intercooler pipe and routing. So this one was at the top, and with our intake boot for our inlet we were having a lot of problems running intercooler piping plus a air intake. So with the He351, it has the intake for the intercooler piping right out of the front of it, so it gives us a lot more room. So we are going to be doing that, swapping that on, and then we're going to be trying to do some intercooler piping. So let's get started. Some of the intercooler piping we have available. We already have our cold side intercooler piping made. Cut this and put a bead on it so it'll hold the intake boot on there. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we have our turbo off. Our hy35 is off, and we will be going with the He351. So let's see if we can get that mounted up now. Alright guys, let's get this thing cleaned up a little bit better before we install it. install our studs next. Next, we'll reinstall our gasket and get this thing installed. Alright, so we got our turbo bolted up. Angle for the intercooler piping is going to be much better. It looks like almost a straight shot across now. So the only thing that'll be close to in our ways will be our AC lines, because we got that mocked up right now until we get some ends crimped on it. So we got this line and we have this line right here. So let's see if we can go ahead and mock up some intercooler piping and a cold air intake and see how this goes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got our intercooler piping made now. So now we got a straight shot going into the intercooler. So now we're going to wrap it up with some heat shrink, heat wrap, and then we'll get to the next stage where we bolt it down. One thing we will be missing is our intercooler boot for the cold side. I got the top boot, but I don't have one that will work on this side of the intercooler. I have already made that intercooler piping. Is right here. I just need a 3.5 inch to 3 inch adapter to make that pipe work. So let's get this started and we'll make it to the next. All right guys, so we got us some heat shield wrapping. So we're going to open this up, get it in some water, let it sit for a couple minutes, and wrap that intercooler piping up. So let's get started on that. We got our intake on, we got our turbo installed, we got to just reinstall our coolant hose for the heater, and we got our battery trays made. So we'll have those set side by side, and it'll go really nice with the cold side air intake right beside it. So that's going to be a stopping point for today. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.